The teaching emphasizes that we develop self-confidence. If you read carefully, every page of teaching has something to say about self-confidence. What is self-confidence? Self-confidence is, first of all, to have a self. And then rely upon it. Many people don't have self. They have bodies, they have emotions, they have mind, they have even personality, but they don't have self. They have millions of little I's. I, not this, I. Their glamours, their illusion, their wishes and desires operate as I's. And they say, I want to eat. The food is their I. I want to be famous. Who is that I? Their glamours, their illusions. Their hates, I hate that man, I hate that man. The self doesn't hate. See, I don't like that thing. I don't like. I become prostrated. Real I, real self, is you, the consciousness unit within you. And teaching wants you to develop that axis within you, an axis around which your personality and life revolves. But if your life is revolving about petty things, you think that petty things are your I, are yourself. Now that's why teaching emphasizes very much to create a center within you. At that center is the self. And that's a self that has self-confidence, which means he knows that he is capable of doing things, saying things, thinking things. And every time he thinks, he speaks, he does something that comes from self-confidence, because he knows that he's not the body, he's not the emotion, he's not the mind, he's beyond that, the Lord of these things, self-confidence.